In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Astro 830 to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Astro 830 can be natively used on any Xbox console, so Xbox One or Xbox Series S or X. You will be able to connect it either through a wireless connection, which is recommended, or through a wired one, whatever you prefer. So all that you have to do to set it up first through a wireless connection is to use the included USB transmitter. So there will be a USB wireless transmitter included with the Astro 830, and you will have to plug this into your Xbox console to connect the headset wirelessly. So just plug this wireless transmitter into any suitable USB port on your console. Immediately upon doing this, power on the headset, and it should automatically pair itself up with the transmitter. If it doesn't pair itself up automatically, then what you can do is press and hold the power and the Bluetooth button simultaneously for a few seconds. Doing this will make sure that it pairs itself up with the new transmitter for the first time. And once this is done, you will now be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your Xbox console through the Astro 830. Like I said, this is going to work for any console that you have as long as it is successfully plugged into any of the available USB ports. Alternatively, if this doesn't work or you would like to use a wired connection, all that you have to do is plug in the included cable. So you will be able to plug one end of the cable into the headset and another one into your controller aux port. So use the 3.5mm audio jack, and as soon as this is done, once again you will be able to use the Astro 830. Doing this through a wired connection means that you don't even have to power on the headset. Even if it is not powered on or it is not sufficiently charged, you will still be able to use the headset through a wired connection. So choose whichever one you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Astro 830 to Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.